crying. Stop it. Please stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop.
I thought we...
Maybe you never wanted to go back to heaven anyway, so you go back to your old job so you can feel cool again, because, you're cool there, and then it's like when you want to go back to high school, and you're like, I was cool there, Tony. It's just like
Chad Bradley, Chad Bradley.
He likes you. Oh, no. My family's dead, and
Done. I sold it to you for 7 cents. Oh.
Ever since that barbecue, nothing's gone right. It's like there's been a curse on me.
It's all my fault.
No, it's not.